Alright everyone, I'm going to do a cold start on the F6 Valkyrie. It's a 2000. Just got the carburetors back in it, redone. It's got progressive shocks, too much extra chrome, some pinstriping. Not stuff I really care about, but it's there. Alright, so she's ice cold. Let's see if I can hold the phone good enough to get a good picture of it. Gonna turn the fuel on. Alright. Turn the key on. Alright. Turn the choke on for a second. Start with the choke on, run the choke for a few seconds. Of course, it's still cold, and my fuel light says I'm out of fuel. You see, it runs pretty good. Let's see, volume for the radio. Stereo works good. Everything works good. Left blinker, right blinker, horn. Oh, starter. There you go.